Audrey. Audrey.
Audrey.
Josie, go.
Audrey. Darling. That was good, wasn't it?
Did I see a smile? Let it get on her face.
I don't want to drip all over the place, though.
It's fine, babe. Babies eat messy food.
Audrey.
Audrey.
You just gotta slap it on their face and just let it drip there and be all over the place.
Whatever, gosh.
Likes it so far.
I think this is better than avocados. Here you go. That's why you have a spoon here.
She's taking it. Don't poke yourself in the eye.
Open it.
You almost got it right. It's gotta have some food on there first.
She likes it.
Yay! There you go. Clean your lip up. There we go.
You're feeding yourself. Here we go. Audrey, here you go. Pick your head up. Audrey, here you go. More? Open. Here you go. Don't be a drama queen.
Just gag for a second.
Yeah. You can turn it off. We can eat our food.